So, the iPhone 17 Pro is gearing up to be Apple's headline act this year, and it's not just because it's the next one in line. With Apple trailing behind in the AI arms race, the pressure's on for the iPhone 17 Pro series to seriously deliver, and from what the leaks suggest, Apple's cooking up something bold to recapture that wow factor. First up, the design. Yep, the camera module's getting a dramatic facelift. Recent case leaks point to a completely revamped rear layout. Say goodbye to that chunky, uneven camera bump and hello to a streamlined camera bar-style module. This is a major design shift for Apple, especially after years of criticism over that awkward, protruding hump. This new setup doesn't just look better, it's smarter. The LED flash and sensors are likely being spread across the back to create visual balance and maybe even make room for bigger, more powerful sensors underneath. Now here's where it gets real exciting, the cameras themselves. According to reports, Apple is ready to go all in on 3 48-megapixel sensors across the board. That includes a brand new 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, replacing the current 12-megapixel one. If true, that would bring real long-range zoom to the iPhone for the first time, putting it in the same league as Samsung's Ultra flagships. So yes, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could be rocking a full trio of 48-megapixel shooters, ultra-wide, main, and zoom. But Apple's not stopping at the back. The front camera is finally getting the love it deserves. Leaks say we'll be seeing a new 24-megapixel true-depth selfie camera, which is a much-needed jump forward. Apple's front-facing game has lagged behind the competition for too long, and this upgrade might be the push they need to finally roll out dual-camera recording. Imagine recording with both the front and rear cameras at the same time, a feature that's been around on Samsung and even Nokia devices for years, and now it might finally hit the iPhone. And yes, the LiDAR scanner is expected to stick around, continuing to boost low-light performance, focus accuracy, and AR capabilities. So, is Apple reinventing the wheel? No, but they're fine-tuning it, and the iPhone 17 Pro might be the most content creator-ready iPhone yet. What do you guys think? Are these upgrades enough to get you hyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.